One of them needs a little mass removed. So we're gonna do a little standing sedation procedure with her to remove that mass.
This is ASMR with Sydney.
She's got an old wound that's healing really well, but she can't fully bend that leg anymore.
Today, I'm gonna give you a little POV. My goal is to get all the horses here halter trained.
There's one. Did you hear that? That's a thunder chicken.
She's not been messed with very much just to minimize stress. We think she'll probably foal about mid-in summer.
Tawny and Jason are leaving.
Leaving where?
I don't know.
First Keith, then Dr. Lydia, now Tawny and Jason. Who else is leaving?
I was just 19 years old when we started Horse Plus Humane Society back in 2003.
I'm passionate about saving animals, but especially saving horses from slaughter.
Tawny's the thinker, and I'm the doer. Together, we've rescued, sheltered, and protected over 15,000 precious lives, creating the world's largest full circle of life horse shelter.
I was born into this. I've always been helping animals, and I'm never going to stop.
We will always rescue,
Shelter,
and protect the helpless.
This is Horse Shelter Heroes.
Today, our plan this morning is to recheck this group of 4 that came in through last month's buyout. They were not cleared to exit quarantine. One of them needs a little mass removed. So we're gonna do a little standing sedation procedure with her to remove that mass, which we're sending off to the lab for histopathology. They're gonna look at the cells and tell us what they think it is. But she's an unhandled 3-year-old who doesn't like to be touched. So it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. I'm gonna try to just numb it up with lidocaine and do it standing. And then her 3 buddies just need a recheck physical exam and some vaccine boosters. So that's this morning. And then after that, we're moving to treat some of the quarantine horses that came in yesterday. Come on, come on up there. Nope.
always the straggler.
See. So that looks pretty halter trained to me.
I know, I'm surprised.
She's doing great. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this space. And if you can just get her facing that direction, headed through here. Oh, good girl. Very good. This is exactly where I want her. This is perfect. You guys, I make such big messes.
It's okay, I'll clean it up.
Sorry. So everything inside this green towel is sterile.
Your crowning ceremony.
Thank you so much. So because we already did a little fine needle aspirate and there were some cells that we suspect could be neoplastic, even though it's a teeny tiny, I'm gonna do an elliptical incision and try to really remove a lot of tissue just in case there are cancer cells in there. We wanna try to get them all this time. We don't want the lab to come back and go, your margins aren't clean. Cutting. Any reaction? Okay. So right away, something that I'm happy about is that this feels more intradermal now that I'm getting under it than it felt beforehand, which is good. Masses that are like really stuck down with strong blood supply often tend to be worse, more likely to be cancerous. I think I got the whole thing in a really healthy chunk of tissue all around it, so I'm happy about that. Sweet. She was an awesome patient for us today. So she hasn't been handled a lot, but she responded really, really well to Sydney. I think it really helps that Sydney is our feeder because a lot of these babies in quarantine that are scared of people see her every morning and she always has the grainies. So horses get little bumps all the time, right? And this is a young horse. But the appearance of this mass, it was darkly pigmented and really firm and kind of adhered. I'm not a histopathologist, right? But I looked at the cytology and was concerned enough that we said, you know what, it's really small, it's in one area, let's just take it off to make sure. Even if it is melanoma, if we were able to get really clean margins, which means not just the cells of the mass itself, but all of the cells around this the area, that can sometimes be completely curative. And I actually know a lot about this. My daughter had melanoma when she was 5 and she had a curative surgery. So I know more about it than I would like to know. But anyway, she did very, very well. The procedure went as well as it could have. She's got some stitches back there, but I'm gonna clear her for general population. Her quarantine is up, but we wanted to make sure we got this taken care of before we move her down.
All right, hey guys, today I'm giving you a little POV of what I'm doing. It's a new group that I'm working with, just a bunch of youngsters, half-blind horse. I'm and a young, about a yearling filly. My goal is to get all the horses here halter trained, so not just myself, but other staff members are able to handle them. So that's all I got going for this afternoon is just working with horses, halter breaking, whichever one needs it. So let's give it a try. Alrighty guys, here is the group of horses I am going to play with. So here we have Benson, a little paint. This big girl here is Rosemary. So they're all a little skittish, but here in a bit we'll get them calmed down. Come on. So we're gonna take our time getting them into the barn. This is a beautiful filly right here. Come on girls. Show Benson where to go. Good job. As you can see, I always have it set up. Coming down the alleyway, they come through the back of the barn. Here we go, we're gonna open up the chute. Good job. Take your time. Take your time. Look how scared Summer is. The rest will calm down as soon as I get a halter on them. But this is a lady I want to work with. Now we're gonna get our halters for the horses. Here we go. Oh, big lady. Come on. There we go. Are you okay with me touching your legs? Good job. Let's get you out of there. Let's go get your hair done first. Come on. Beautiful horse, Rosemary. Victoria, check. Rosemary, check. Oh, you gonna let me measure you? I forgot to get your height. Get this all the way out. Boom. Pop that out. You are 15 even. Gloria's over there all happy. Rosemary's coming back. Yeah, good job. Here we got Summer. As you can see, Summer is still a bit scared, I guess. You're fine. So this is just to help me. It's a little cheat code, but I'd rather be safe. This is my first time haltering her and leading her around. So give it a try. Come on, you're fine. Come on. You're fine. Oh, good job. You let me pet on you? Oh, you're doing good. So this line here, it ain't hurting them. It helps me to keep them moving forward. Also, I don't want them to just start running backwards and trying to flip backwards. So it's the smallest things that count. And safety first, always safety first. You always want to have a good time, enjoy your time with these horses. So you always keeps you coming back. You see she's trying to fight to go backwards, but let's play a little tug of war till she stands there. She wants to back up, I'll bring her forward. Good job. That's all I was asking. Small, simple steps. Now we're gonna release her with her crew. Let's see, they're all here to meet her. Good girl. Good girl.
Good job, guys. Miss Lynn, do you hear that?
What am I supposed to be hearing?
You don't hear that?
So I'm up here because I have to ask Garrick a question, but I notice he's looking over there for some reason and I'm kind of confused. I hear birds.
That's a thunder chicken. He's all blowed up, strutting around.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. He's there. There were 5 of them here yesterday morning.
What?
5 of them. They were all around the back here, gobbling their heads off. Springtime. Go over here and see if we can hear this thunder chicken. He's right over here. Don't tell Jason what we're doing. He'd be mad at me. But it's a turkey. How can you not listen to a turkey? I just heard him gobble. He's way down in there. We call this the Horse Plus sneak attack. We're actually being able to check fences too, so that works out. There's one. Do you hear that? He's right over there. But there's another one right there. Oh, I heard him. There he is. There he is.
I hear him.
Sometimes they answer, sometimes they don't. So I'm not much of a turkey caller with my mouth. I don't have a turkey call, so.
I'd say that's pretty good.
I say you look like a big turkey out there in the field walking around. Well, the fence looks good anyway. We don't have anything down the fence, so. Okay, back to work. The plan here is, once we get the rubble that I've tore down this old shed, once we get it all cleaned up, we're gonna take those panels down and we're gonna be installing the new panels. And these things are heavy duty. They're extra heavy. These panels are made for the BLM horses, and it's gonna take 2 guys to move them around, which we're gonna use the tractor as much as we can, but they're a full 6 foot tall and they're super built. So they'll handle anything that we bring in here, and it's gonna be a really good setup. We wanna set up to be able to utilize the vet barn with it as well and have gates on the front end, the back side, and the far side. So access is everything when you're dealing with these horses from the BLM. We need to be able to access different points, feeding wise and all, and sorting, separating. And then when we get done, we're gonna install our loading chute for the tractor trailer. It will be out here in this area so the big truck can swing around and back right up to it, and we can unload them with ease and less stress on the animals. So we want to be able to just walk off the trailer into a nice pen and they're not disrupted and chaos. Quiet and easy, that's what we want. Just sit back and wait, it's coming.
All right, so this is Miracle. She came in yesterday in a big surrender from another county, one of their shelters. She looks like she probably broke her leg at some point, that left front. She's got an old wound that's healing really well, but she can't fully bend that leg anymore, and she's still not weight bearing on it. She tries to avoid putting any weight on it. So we're just gonna try and take an x-ray, see what's going on. We'll have Dr. Lydia review it, see if there's anything we can do to make her more comfortable and get that leg to heal a little bit better. There we go. We'll just throw that right in the garbage.
Where do you want her bad leg? Laying
just
on it?
Anywhere on this plate is fine. There you go, ma'am. You got it. You can sit upright like that.
You're okay, baby girl. You're a very good girl, sweet thing.
Oh my gosh. A beep.
That doesn't look good on that side.
No, looks like this had all broken, and possibly that toe. I just won't be able to put. Okay. So that should be good. Able to send those to Lydia. Yeah, you definitely broke your foot at some point. Not a radiologist, not a vet. My interpretation. This is all bony growth from probably where she had broken it, and that's why she can't fully extend it.
One super duper teeny tiny little bitty poke.
Good job.
So nasty. Try not to take a lot off because she's pretty.
Are you over it? I try to give you peanut butter.
You can sit. There you go. Okay, okay.
We got a lot going. But what about your paws?
Let's see.
She's just like, what is happening?
This is ASMR with Sydney.
Sleek easy. This is Annie. She's recently available. It's like doing a dermaplane, but there's just still hair. Look how satisfying. I would watch this. Delicioso. I paid too much money. I paid too much money to do that. So we have a surrender/adoption today. Maximus and Savannah got adopted out a few months ago, and they're gonna bring Maximus back because of his respiratory. We're gonna get that checked out. Hopefully he's okay, but little update. Diamond is not in labor. She still has a bun in the oven, but not today. It's not gonna pop out today, okay? She's not happy about being tied up. She is gonna have a foal here soon. We're thinking probably, Trey said middle of summer or end of summer. I don't know, she's a big mama. We're hoping to get a little bit of, a little bit more weight on her. Maybe she gets adopted out today and she can eat all she wants in her new forever home. And then they're gonna look at Annie too. Annie just came down from quarantine. She had a mash removed the other day, but she's totally good to go. No concerns for her, and we're very excited for these two horses. Diamond's in the round pen. So, I mean, she's not been messed with very much just to minimize stress. But she's pretty, she's getting slicked off and learning her ways. She's got a cute face on her. She's adorable. We think she'll probably foal about in summer.
Okay.
She's not lost any weight here, she's gained. So I wouldn't say that she's a hard keeper. I think it was just the outcome of her situation of where she was before we got her. We'll go look at Annie. Now she's a youngster. I believe she's 3. Her face has like the flea-bitten gray look. So maybe if she slicks out and gets her healthy coat,
I think she'll be
she'll
really
be
pretty.
a flea-bitten gray.
Yeah. She's super calm for like 3, like Savannah.
The only time she ever did anything kind of to act like a baby was whenever I let her down from quarantine to like the pastures back here. She seen her friend running, and so she thought she was gonna run ahead of me. But she responded to pressure really good. But that's just, she's a baby, so. Dr. Lydia didn't have any concern. She looked her over completely, and she let her do what she needed to do back there, and we cleaned her up, and she's the bestest baby, yeah. Yes, she was, so good. I love her head. She's just so, she looks different to me. I don't know what it is.
Which one do you think?
It's too hard for me to decide.
I think she's gonna look really pretty when she's...
With her, she's like ready. With Diamond, you kind of have to wait a little while.
Yeah.
Because not only do you have to wait for her to gain some weight, have the baby, then you gotta wait to like kind of wean the baby because it's gonna be right there. But either way, they're both great.
Probably get her.
Annie, that's a good choice.
A lot of the horses we got are from here before were really calm, and we just really like horses, and a lot of things we do are like with horses and stuff. So yeah, Annie was just really calm today, and we really liked her.
Can't believe we're leaving.
Yeah, it's been really good here in Tennessee, and It's been an amazing 12 years, but...
Well, it's been 11 years ago. 11 years ago, we came here, nothing was here, and now we're literally walking away.
Leaving. Hopefully not forever, but pretty much.
I mean, we're going to be gone.
Good.
What's happening?
They're leaving. I gotta go tell Micah. Micah, Tawny and Jason are leaving.
They're leaving?
Yeah, they're leaving.
Leaving where?
I don't know. We have to tell everybody.
All right.
Sydney, did you hear the news? Tawny and Jason are leaving us. I can't believe this. Like, how is that even possible?
It's gonna be so different without Tawny's guidance.
What? They're leaving? That's rough.
No more dad jokes from Jason. I'm happier than a pig in a mud pit.
Did you hear about that, huh, Posey? Jason and Tawny are leaving us. Are we happy or are we sad? I think we're happy. Yay!
Buddy, you don't understand. Like, Miss Tawny and Mr. Jason are leaving. Like, bro, what are we supposed to do now? Like, me and Trey, now we have nobody to look up to. Like, what are we gonna do now?
Justin, have you heard that Tawny and Jason are leaving?
Yeah, I did. I guess I'm gonna have to run everything now, so that's that.
Honestly, they travel so much helping animals, we probably wouldn't even notice.
I can't believe this is happening. I don't know if I can do this anymore.
First Keith, then Dr. Lydia, now Tawny and Jason. Who else is leaving? It's okay. I'm the boss now. Let's see what's gonna happen next.
Angela!
Hey, Chris.
What's going on?
Hey, did you hear?
Hear what?
Tawny and Jason are leaving, and I'm the boss.
Tawny and Jason are leaving?
Yes.
What do you mean they're leaving? When?
Hey, what's wrong?
What? On the April 1st? What does that say?
April Fool's Day?
Thank you so much for watching our episodes. To get more information, no, that's not right. Thank you guys so much for watching our latest episode, Horse Plus, no. Thank you guys so much for watching our latest episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for updates on our content, hit that notification bell.